What's up guys, I'm Tanner with OBO and I'm here to present another HubSpot Plus Expert Insights and Hidden Gems video to improve your stack through HubSpot apps, features, and processes. So today we're going to go over the AI assistant to create workflow actions. This is live as of May 7th and I'm really excited to show it to you. So creating workflows and automations, there's a lot of upfront investment. It takes a ton of time and it's pretty annoying to set up, and you have to do it a bunch of times to really nail it the way you want it. So real quick before we get started, just know that you need a marketing or sales, ops or service, pro account or enterprise, pro and above, in order to use this product. All right, so let's dive in. First off, we need to enable AI integrations. And so if we scroll down here to AI assistance in your settings cog, make sure this box is checked, content prompts is on, and also customer analysis is on, because that is where you'll need the workflows. You can't check customer analysis without first hitting content prompts. So just know that. That's something you need at the beginning. So let's dive into automations here. We'll go into workflows and I'll show you how to use this. So we're going to create a new workflow from scratch. You can have any trigger, it doesn't really matter, because you can't create triggers with the AI edits just yet. I'm sure they're going to change that as soon as they get the next update. But since this is a pretty new feature, they're still early on. So just know that ahead of time when you create enrollment triggers, you have to do it manually. You can't do it with AI. So there's two spots where you can edit it. One is right here, but we shouldn't do that because then it'll just skip the enrollment trigger. So I'm just going to create a trigger really fast. When an event occurs, I'm going to go to a form submission and then I'll save it. So once I do the form submission, now this is my trigger. So showing you how to use this in the workflow. As soon as I hit this plus button, you'll see Ask AI. This is where you're going to put all of your instructions here. Now, you have to play by the LLM rules. Otherwise, it's not going to work the best way you want it to. And what I mean by that is you need to be a good prompt engineer. If you don't know how to do prompt engineering, it's not too difficult. You need to know just a couple of things. One is you need to have a specific goal or outcome super well defined. Then it's really good if you have steps to follow and examples if you have any, and then also do's and don'ts. So like, don't do this, do that. If you look up YouTube tutorials on how to do prompt engineering for like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or whatever, you'll see a lot of good examples, and it plays really well into this because it's ChatSpot, really. It's ChatSpot at the end of the day, and it really is beneficial to use this prompt engineering style. Here's a real world example on how to use an AI workflow. I'm looking at this first description here and it says goal, which we need a goal. Create an email sequence that prepares the customer for the event they just signed up for. Then I'm giving it some steps. Well, let's walk through how it does in real time. The first step is send a thank you email. As you can see right here, send thank you email. Notice the quotations here. I put those because it helps a lot with defining emails, properties, forms, anything that has a variable name. When you put them in quotations, it really helps ChatSpot nail it down. Okay, second step, delay until 7 days prior to the webinar. Here we go, we've got 7 days before a webinar deal roll up. Perfect. Step 3, send 1 week reminder email. After the 7 days, we send 1 week reminder email. Perfect. Step 4, delay until 1 day prior to the webinar. Looks like this is perfect. Send 1 day reminder email. We got it right here. Send webinar link email at 9 a.m. the day of the webinar. It looks like this one didn't get this quite right, and that's okay. It's just one little mistake here. They are getting so much better every single day with ChatSpot and with all of the AI and automations and things. This will be fixed up within no time. We can fix that as soon as we keep the actions. We'll keep going. Lastly, send the webinar link, which is the webinar link email, and we're good to go. The only thing I got wrong was this little guy here. I'll just put keep actions. If I wanted to do it again, I'd hit regenerate. Maybe it would get it, maybe it wouldn't. But we can go in and fix this really fast anyways. If I click on this, I go to on date and then 9 a.m. I hit save. We're done. That was a 3-second change, and now the full workflow is underway. So that's all we have for today, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment below. I'm Tanner with OBO with another HubSpot Plus Expert Insights and Hidden Gems video. We'll see you guys next time.